Hey guys, welcome back to our next episode of Cooking with Master Chef Blake, and on today's episode I'll be doing ice cream. I'll be showing you guys two ways to make your own homemade ice cream, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and ring that bell, click on that bell and give me a subscribe. Please like, comment and share. Thank you. Now we'll jump right into our ice cream recipe. Today we'll be making strawberry and chocolate ice cream.
Guys, so the first ingredient that we'll be adding is half cup of heavy cream, and we will be whisking this heavy cream at medium speed for about 5 minutes or until it peaks.
Guys, so our heavy cream is almost there, still hasn't peaked. What we are looking for is when you lift the whisk, you should get a peak in the bowl, so it still needs to go a little bit longer. So let's just get into that again. Alright guys, so now our heavy cream has peaked, and that is what we are looking for. Now that our heavy cream has peaked, we'll now add 1/8 of a cup of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, and we will fold this into our heavy cream. I'm finished folding that in, we'll add 2 tablespoons of chopped chocolate bits. I'll now whisk this for a next minute on low. So here's the finished batter. So what I'm going to do now is add this into a bowl, and we will freeze this for 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours. If you have a blast freezer, within an hour it should be ready, but I'm just using the regular freezer on my refrigerator. I will show you the consistency of my ice cream once the 6 hours have passed. Also add this into a bag. If you have plastic wrap, you can wrap it in your plastic wrap and place it inside your refrigerator. Alright guys, now we move on to the second method of making our ice cream, and we'll be using this triple scoop machine that we bought on Amazon. If you'd like to purchase this machine, the link to the machine will be in my bio, so watch as we go along. Alright, this first ingredients I'll be adding is half cup of milk, and this is almond milk. I do half cup of heavy cream, half cup of half and half. So I will be adding half cup of my ice cream mix. Now to get ice cream mix, the link is also in the description of this video. Now that we have added our ice cream mix into our mixture, we'll now whisk until everything has been combined at low speed. Everything has been combined. I'll also go ahead and add a tablespoon of minced chocolate bits. Yeah, just my preference. You don't have to add this if you don't want to. And give it a stir just for 30 seconds. Now set up our ice cream mix, our triple scoop ice cream machine, and the description is in the box on how to use it. It's very easy. What you do is you place this part in the freezer, and you can just keep it in the freezer, and whenever you're ready you just use it. We add our paddle, insert our paddle, and we have an on and off button, and we plug this part in. We have added the lid to our bottom half of the machine, and what we'll do now is add our ice cream mix slowly into this machine while it's on. Alright guys, so here goes. Now we just leave the triple scoop machine to slowly do its thing, and we'll pause and come back with the finished product. Alright guys, it has now been about 5 minutes, and as you can see our ice cream is coming together pretty lovely, I'd say. So stay tuned. Alright, finished product coming. Hey guys, so it has now been approximately 15 minutes, and we're going to reveal what our triple scoop ice cream looks like. So here we go. Turn our machine off, detach the lid, and open up. There we have it, nice and lovely. So as I said before guys, if you would like to purchase this item, the link will be in my bio to purchase this along with the ice cream flavored mixes. Alright, so here's the ice cream from our triple scoop ice cream machine. So I will also compare this with the other method that I did earlier, but for now we're going to place this inside a bag and freeze it for the next hour or so, just to get it a bit harder. But as you can see, the consistency is pretty nice. Hey guys, so it has now been roughly over 6 hours since our ice creams have been in the freezer, and we'll now do a review. So this is the ice cream that I did the old traditional way, and this was the one done in the triple scoop ice cream mixer. So I'll now go ahead and take 2 scoops of these. This is the traditional way ice cream, and this was the one done in the triple scoop ice cream machine. Yes, and that's it. A quick and easy ice cream recipe. Yeah, thank you guys, and remember to hit that bell and subscribe.